How to use Oxbridge Academy Review properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Oxbridge Academy offers online courses and professional development programs, but many beginners make mistakes that cost time, money, and progress. Here's how to use it properly. The first mistake is rushing through course selection. Most people get this wrong by picking a course based only on the title or cost. Instead, check the syllabus, course length, and learning outcomes. This ensures the program matches your career goals or skill needs. Second mistake, ignoring accreditation and certification. You won't believe how often students assume all courses carry equal recognition. Verify that your chosen program is accredited or recognized by industry bodies if certification matters for your career. Third mistake, skipping the learning support. The surprising truth is Oxbridge Academy provides tutors, discussion forums, and assignment feedback, but beginners often underutilize these. Engaging actively with support tools significantly improves learning and exam performance. Fourth mistake, poor time management. Online courses offer flexibility, but many learners fall behind because they don't schedule study sessions. Treat it like a structured program, set daily or weekly goals, and stick to them. Finally, not tracking progress is common. Beginners often complete modules without reviewing performance or understanding weak areas. Use built-in progress trackers and self-assessment tools to monitor your learning and improve results. By choosing the right course, verifying accreditation, using support, managing time, and tracking progress, you can make the most of Oxbridge Academy. Avoid these common mistakes, and your online learning experience will be productive, efficient, and rewarding.